Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to AFK in a grow a garden. Alright, so first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this one. Okay, going to move it aside. I'm going to go ahead and open up my browser. Now in here, let's just go ahead and type in autohotkey, alright, .com. Once done, just hit on enter and just click on the download button right here. Download version 2.0. Save it wherever you want. Wait for the download process to finish. Open it up. Okay. If you want to install it for all of your users, okay, or all users of this computer, go ahead and choose this option. Or if not, just click on current user, just for it to install in this current setup. Okay. Hit on install. And here you have the autohotkey. Once done, go ahead and check this RAR file that is in the link below. Okay. It is on Google Drive. Just download it, and once done, right click on it and extract. Okay. Extract this one to a new folder. You can rename the folder if you want to. Now double click on it. Run this v2. Okay. Double click and here you have the macro settings. You can now go ahead and close this one. You have here the start key, stop key, reset key, settings key, and you can go ahead and select all of the seeds that is needed right here. Okay. You can go ahead and save this one. And then minimize it if you want to. You have eggs and gears, event crafting, and so on and so forth. Once everything's set up, just make sure that you have your shovel, your recall wrench, and also your hotbar, okay? Once you have all of that ready, you can now go ahead and press B, and you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.